Hey guys, today we're making Caribbean spiced, pan-fried hard-boiled eggs, which is a bit of a mouthful, but trust me, this really is something special. I love this dish so much and I'm pretty sure I invented it. If you've seen this dish somewhere else before, then please let me know in the comments after. Listen, when you're hungover as often as I am, your eggs better be on point in the morning, which is why I'm always looking for new creative ways to pimp up my eggs. Now first off, boil your eggs. I'm using 3 eggs, which is perfect for me after a rough night. For this recipe, the eggs need to be hard boiled and not soft in the center, so boil for about 8 minutes. Once your eggs are boiled, let them sit in some cold water for about a minute before peeling. Then grab your favorite spice blend or seasoning and generously sprinkle onto a plate. Then slice your hard-boiled eggs in half. I'm using a Caribbean curry spice, which is packed with chili, cinnamon, nutmeg and thyme. You can use whatever you like, whether it be cajun, peri, literally whatever you prefer. Now simply get the flat side of your egg and press into the spice mixture. Move the egg around the plate to make sure it's well coated. Once you're happy that your eggs are well coated, simply add some oil to your pan and leave on a low to medium heat. Add your eggs directly onto the pan flat side down, so those spices start to sear. Sprinkle on any excess spices from the plate directly back onto the pan. I should have used my cast iron pan or any flat pan. The pan I'm using wasn't quite flat, so the sear on the eggs wasn't 100% how I like it, but it was still very good. Give everything a good shake to ensure nothing is sticking. After a minute or so, flip your eggs over and give them approximately 20 to 30 seconds on the other side before removing from the pan to rest. Then add a touch more oil to the same pan and add some finely chopped tomatoes and onions and keep on a medium heat. You'll see the moisture from the tomatoes helps deglaze all those spices that are stuck on the pan. That's all flavour there and we absolutely need that. Keep stirring until your onions have softened. We want about 50% of the moisture from the tomatoes to have been cooked out. This intensifies flavour. Season with salt and pepper and continue to stir. Add some chopped coriander or cilantro and spoon the mixture generously onto your eggs. The onions give this dish sweetness and the tomato provides it with acidity and freshness to balance out the spice. And there you have it, a truly outstanding breakfast dish. Try this one tomorrow morning and let me know what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Spiced, pan-fried, hard-boiled eggs. Creamy, umptuous yolks. Absolutely fucking delicious.